A satisfaction clause is a contract provision that conditions one party's contractual obligations on that party's satisfaction with the other party's performance. In Forman v. Benson, the court considered whether one party's rejection of the other's performance had to be objectively reasonable. Eric Forman and Art Benson entered into an installment contract under which Forman agreed to purchase commercial real estate from Benson. The purchase price was $125,000 to be paid over 10 years at an interest rate of 9%. To assuage Benson's concern over Forman's creditworthiness, Forman agreed to add a clause specifying that the agreement was subject to Benson's approval of Forman's credit report. After this clause was added, Benson signed the contract, and Forman paid Benson $1,000 in earnest money. Forman provided Benson with an excellent credit report. At Benson's request, Forman also gave Benson additional financial information, including copies of his corporate income tax returns. During further conversations with Forman, after receiving this information, Benson attempted to renegotiate the contract for a higher purchase price and interest rate. Thereafter, Benson rejected Forman's credit and attempted to refund Forman's deposit. Forman sued Benson for specific performance of the contract. At trial, a bank loan officer testified to Forman's excellent credit rating. Benson testified that he'd rejected Forman's credit because Forman had outstanding debts and showed a loss on his tax return. The trial court found that Benson's rejection of Forman's credit had to be reasonable, and that Benson's decision didn't meet this standard. Consequently, the trial court ruled for Forman and ordered specific performance of the contract. Benson appealed to the Illinois Appellate Court.